Hi, this is Rick in Pennsylvania, and I'm just going to do a short video on the DualLiner I got from my 2020 Ram 1500. It's with the 5'7" box. Like a lot of people, I was debating whether or not to go with like a spray-in or some other kind of liner. I'm glad I went with DualLiner. It shipped quick. I think I got it 2 days after they gave me the email saying that my order shipped, and I probably would have done like the install video, but I don't know, couldn't wait, so I just installed it right away. Install took about 10 minutes. It was super easy. Once you had everything lined up, it just like snapped right into place. There's install videos on the site. I found one specifically for my year, make, and model truck, and it went together just as easy as it did in the video. Everything fits perfectly. It's just in there super securely. There's no worry about this thing coming out. The bed mats are nice and thick. Even the tailgate, I mean, that went together really easily. Customer service was great. When I emailed asking about like shipping date and all that kind of stuff, they got right back to me. As far as value, it was, I don't know, a couple $100 less than one of the spray-ins, and even with the delivery and everything like that, I had this in my truck about 3 weeks earlier than I could have even gotten in for one of the spray-in liner appointments if I wanted to do that. But I'm really glad I went with DualLiner, and can't wait to throw some stuff in the back of my truck.